Hey Flitz fans, it's Graham here with Team Flitz with another episode of
Will It Shine?
where we try to turn tarnish into terrific.
Today we have a 22-year-old Fire Magic Deluxe countertop grill. This one has spent its life at home down by the ocean in sunny and salty Florida. Okay, let's give this grill a 1-2-3 punch. First we're going to pre-treat it with a Flitz water-based stainless steel cleaner. Wow, look at that, cutting through all that dust, dirt, hard water spots, and oil. Next, let's give the old grill a shine back up. Time to pull out the Flitz paste polish. Let's save some time and pull out the good old Flitz original buff ball to save some elbow grease. Are you seeing that? Look at it, it's coming right back to life. Well, will it shine? I think we won once again on this one. Remember, when it comes time to polishing, cleaning, and protecting your finishes, Flitz It.